Let me ask you a question. Do you analyze data for you or your company? What if you were able to create your analyses and host it online more easily? Consider the benefits that your business could have. What could you improve? Do your employees spend their time repeatedly manipulating the same data, answering easy questions, and creating the same analysis every week? Well, that's why I created this course on Microsoft Power BI. Download Power BI for free. Create your visualizations, publish it online, and share it in your company. Stop wasting hours doing things inefficiently. Manipulate data from multiple sources. Let the computer manipulate any updated data. Create additional calculated columns and measures. And this course supports all the objectives in the official Microsoft exam. There are plenty of practice activities along the way to make sure that you are learning. As a bonus, download a PDF guide to M and DAX formulas so that you can revise for the exam. Also, download the course onto your iPhone, iPad, or Android device so you can learn on the move. And this course is backed by Udemy's refund policy. If you don't like it, return it. So what have you got to lose? Let's start learning.